Hi everybody, my name is Mark Shelgren. This is a short demonstration video of functionality developed in response to UCI Full Stack Development Bootcamp Homework Assignment number 13 to develop an ORM-based e-commerce backend application. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. The first requirement is to demonstrate how to create the schema from the MySQL shell. And so here we are logged into MySQL. We see the e-commerce database over there on the left. First, we will drop it. It's gone. Now we will create it. If we hit refresh, it's back and there's no tables. So that's requirement number one. The second requirement is to demonstrate how to seed the database from the command line. Here we are in the command line in the develop folder where the application resides. We installed all the npm packages required. We have a seed index.js in the seeds folder and some seeds table files that have seed data in them that we can use to seed our database. So if we run node seeds folder, get in the right place, sorry, node seed / index.js, and we got messages back that indicate our database has been properly seeded. The third requirement is to demonstrate how to start the application server. Our server application program is called server.js, so it's simply node server.js, and we are listening on port 3006. For all categories, products, and tags. So here we go. Here's the categories. Localhost API / categories is the route. I press send. There's the categories. We do the same thing for products. products. Press send. Here's the products. We go to tags. And there is return the list of tags. The next requirement is to demonstrate get routes for a single category, a single product, and a single tag in Insomnia Care. So let's start with categories, categories. Let's do category 2. Say 2. Get rid of all this hash junk. What is this stuff? To send. And we got back the categories of the information for category 2. We'll go products 3. Send. And we brought back the information for product number 3, including multiple tags. And then finally, we can see down here, here's a product tag. Product ID is 3, the tag ID is 3. So let's try for tag ID 4, just for fun. TAGS 4, send. And there's the information for tag number 4, including the product that it's linked to. So we have now demonstrated get routes for a single category, a single product, and a single tag. The application fulfills the final requirement, which is to demonstrate post, put, and delete routes for categories, products, and tags using Insomnia Care. So here we go. Let's start with categories. We have a post in Insomnia Care. We're doing a post operation. We're going to be submitting a JSON body into the categories route. We hit send, and we have now we get a message back that says we've added category 6. It says handball equipment. Very quickly, if we go look at the category, hit refresh, go look at the tables, go look at the category, we can see that we have added a new category called handball equipment. Go back to the application, go back to Insomnia Care, I'm sorry. Let's make it a put route. Let's change it from handball equipment to handball balls and gloves. And since it's a put route, we need to pass the ID up on the command line, and our category is category number 6. So we put a 6, we hit send, and we've updated one record. And if we go back to MySQL and do the same query again on the table category and hit it again, we've changed the category name to balls and gloves. Then the final thing is to delete the post. So we go back to Insomnia Care, we put in a delete. We are going to be deleting ID number 6, and we will hit send. No, let's not delete category number 6 until we've added some products to it and stuff. So now let's go to products. Let's go back to a post route. Let's get some product information into our JSON request body. There's our product name and stuff, and our category is 6, and we're doing a post, and we'll hit send, and it's the wrong route, and that's absolutely correct because these are products. Let's try it again. We're not passing a 6 in there. We're only passing the JSON body. So let's say 6, send. And we came back with an empty array. If we go back and look at, or an empty object, and if we go back and look in the MySQL database at products, we have added a can of 2 ace handballs in category 6 with stock of 150 and the price of 10. So we can go in there and let's change something on that now using Insomnia Care, using a put. Let's make the 2 ace, let's call them ace plus handballs. Let's make the price 100 if we have any typing skills, and let's make the stock 1500. We just time 10 all of our values. We'll come in here and change this to a put route. And this is also happens to be product number 6 because we added the 6th product. And let's hit a send. And we got back a blank array. And if we go look into our MySQL database at the products, refresh, and we have 2 ace plus handballs, and our price is 100 and our stock is up to 1500. So our put request also worked. Then our final thing we need to add is a tag. Let's go to the Insomnia Care. I'm very sorry about that. Let's get the tags. We don't pass a specific ID for a post. We're going to do a post, and we are going to pass in a tag of handballs. And we're going to do posts, tags, send. We got some kind of an error. And if we go look in our MySQL database at our tags, we did not add that one. Quick troubleshooting, I had typed in the request body wrong, so I corrected the syntax of the request body. I hit send, and we have added a product ID tag 9. Now we can do a put and change the description to handballs in a can and say send. And we have the wrong route because we did not pass in the correct ID for our tag number. And now we've updated one record. So all that's left for us to do is the delete route. So let's go back in here and put a delete. We're gonna delete tag 9. That one was deleted. We're gonna delete products 6. Send, and we deleted 1, and let's go for categories, and that's also 6 categories. 6, send, and we deleted 1 record. If we quickly go back to our database in MySQL, let's start with the category. We'll hit that bad boy. We have deleted that category 6. We look at products. We only have 5 products. We look at tags, and we no longer have tag number 9. This concludes the demonstration. If you have any questions, you can contact Mark Shelgren at outlook.com. Thank you very much.